The fastest growing religion right now is no other than the Holy Roman Catholic Church. In Korea, the Presbyterian members are now returned to the Catholic Church because they found out that in their religion, it's all about money. The Iglesia Ni Cristo here in the Philippines, they have now issues regarding money. And some of them returning embrace the Catholic Church. Many pastors are now converting, and some are converted already to the Holy Roman Catholic Church. This is a great revival, and I believe many of them wants to join and embrace the Catholic faith, because this church is the only church founded and established by the Lord Jesus Christ last 33 AD, and it spread all over the world as what recorded in the book of Romans chapter 1 verses 7 to 8, that the faith in Rome spread all over the world. Dealt with it, pastors. Be converted to the Roman Catholic Church.